Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Canva video. So first thing you need to do is just head over to the Canva website and make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Then we're going to click on home from the top left hand side. And then from these list of templates, you just need to select video. Now I'm just going to start a new video project, but you can open up an existing project. And then from this screen, we're just going to come over to uploads on the left hand side. Make sure you have a video uploaded that you want to use. And then you're just going to drag your video into the timeline like so. So now that we have our video here, we're going to add some audio to it. And to do that, we scroll all the way down to the bottom and you need to click on apps. And then from here, if you just scroll down again, you'll have this access to audio. So we're going to click on audio from this list of options. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different music that we can use for our video. Now, some of this music does require the Canva Pro version, but a lot of it you can use completely for free. So you can actually preview each of the tracks as well, just by clicking this play button next to it. And that's just going to give you a quick preview of the track. So once you've found the audio that you want to use, you can simply drag it over to your timeline like so. And then once it's in your timeline, you're just going to move it all the way to the left to make sure it aligns up with the video clip. And then you can select the audio track. And in the top navigation here, you have a few volume controls. So you can click on this volume icon if you want to adjust the volume of your audio track. And we can also click on fade if you want to add either a fade in or fade out effect. And then if you come all the way to the end of the audio track, we just want to make sure it aligns up with the video here as well. You can do that simply just by dragging the ends of the audio track. Now, if you want to add your own custom music to your video, you can do this as well just by coming over to uploads from the left hand side. And then what you'll need to do is click on upload files and you'll need to upload your audio track to here. And then once you've uploaded your audio track, just select audio from this navigation. And just like before, we can then drag this track into our project. And all you'll need to do is align that up with your video clip. And just like that, we've now added our own custom music to Canva. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.